Are you ready to step into a world of limitless earning potential? AI Avatar is ready to help you. This cutting-edge technology is changing the game for online entrepreneurs, providing incredible opportunities for those prepared to take advantage of them. Whether new to the digital space or a seasoned professional, this AI Avatar can take your earning potential to the next level. So, what are we waiting for? Join us today and start making money with AI Avatar right away.
Have you heard about the fantastic Aragon professional headshots? It's the latest tool that's making waves in the world of professional photography. This innovative AI-based tool allows people to get professional photos without ever having to step foot in a photo studio or fuss with hair and makeup. Here's how it works. You simply upload 10 selfies and Aragon's AI will create 40 high-definition photos for you. That's right, you can get professional-looking photos with just a few clicks and at a fraction of the cost of traditional photo studios. In fact, Aragon's prices start at just $69.39 with the code ILOVE. But what makes Aragon professional headshots unique is that the AI technology ensures that the output photos are always an accurate representation of the user. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking for a new profile photo, Aragon has you covered. And there's the best part. Your privacy is guaranteed. Aragon uses AES 256 encryption to protect your photos and stores them with SOC2 and ISO 27001 certified vendors. That means you can rest assured that your images are secure and confidential. So what do you need to get started? Just 10 to 20 close-up selfies of yourself in various poses, lighting, facial expressions, and clothing. Make sure to choose different backgrounds, angles, and styles to give the AI the best chance of creating a diverse set of photos. Now let's talk about a few essential details. Unfortunately, once you've uploaded your photos, there are no refunds available. AI processing is expensive, so make sure you're ready to commit before uploading your images. Also, it's important to note that Aragon's services are for adults only, so don't try to upload photos of minors as they are against the terms of service. Lastly, if you experience a delay in receiving your photos, don't worry. Sometimes the service can get overwhelmed, so just try again in 15 to 30 minutes. And here's a little extra for you. With Aragon's AI technology, you'll never have to worry about scheduling appointments with a photographer or waiting days for retouching. The tool is designed to be fast and user-friendly so that you can get your professional photos in no time. Plus, with Aragon, you'll never have to worry about the quality of your photos. The AI is programmed to make sure that the images look like you and only you, with just a few variations to add some personality and character. And with over 7,000 satisfied customers, you can be sure that Aragon is a reliable and trusted solution for all your professional photo needs. So why give it a try? Whether you're looking to update your LinkedIn profile, need a new headshot for your website, or just want some professional photos to have on hand, Aragon is the solution you've been looking for. So if you're ready to take your professional photos to the next level, head over to Aragon Professional Headshots and get started. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking for a new profile photo, Aragon has you covered. Have you ever wanted a portrait of yourself that looks just like you? Look no further, because autoportrait.ai is here to make that dream a reality. This fantastic service uses artificial intelligence to generate unique portraits of a person from multiple photos of their face. All you have to do is upload a few clear pictures of your face and let the magic of AI do the rest. The AI takes anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to train on your photos, but the results are truly stunning. The generated portraits are so lifelike, they look exactly like you. And the best part is the AI can generate an unlimited number of images in millions of styles, so that you can have a different picture for every mood and occasion. Autoportrait AI is also a secure service, so you can rest easy knowing that your payments are protected by Stripe and encrypted with SSL. And if privacy is a concern, you'll be happy to see that they have a strict privacy policy. To use Autoportrait AI, you'll need to buy credits. One image equals 1 credit, and you can buy 500 credits for one face training with artificial intelligence for one person. There's also a surprise package option, where you can get 50 images with random stars for a fun surprise. If you want even more portraits, you can buy 500 credits for up to 500 pictures or 1000 credits for up to 1000 pictures. And if you buy 1000 credits, you'll even save 10% in credits. That's two-phase training with artificial intelligence for 2 people and up to 1000 images. Autoportrait.ai is a game changer for people who want a unique and personalized portrait. It's not just about creating a digital image that looks like you. It's about having the ability to express yourself in new and creative ways. Whether you want to use your portrait for personal or professional purposes, Autoportrait.ai has got you covered. The whole process is super simple and user-friendly. You must upload a few photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. It's like magic. The AI uses these photos to create a digital version of you that can be customized in endless ways. You can choose from millions of presets and styles, or you can even create your custom style. And the best part? The AI is super smart, so it keeps learning and improving with every portrait it generates. So the more you use Autoportrait.ai, the more personalized and unique your images will become. The guys behind Autoportrait.ai, Zeke and Victor Timsit, have ensured that the service is secure and trustworthy. They have implemented industry-standard encryption methods to protect your data and payments, so you can rest easy knowing that your privacy and security are taken seriously. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and generate some portraits today. Whether you want to make a personalized gift for someone special or use it as your profile picture on social media, Autoportrait is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface, millions of styles and presets, and secure payment system, you can go right. When creating an online presence, having a great profile photo is essential. But only some have the skills, resources, or time to take a professional image. That's where Amazing Photo comes in. This fantastic platform leverages the power of artificial intelligence to help users create amazing profile photos in just a few clicks. All you need to do is upload 20 photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. You'll be able to select from over 100 unique images, each with a stunning full HD resolution of 2048 on 2048. That's right, you can now have photos that look like a professional photographer took them without ever leaving your home. The AI model is designed to recognize specific individuals, making it perfect for those who want to showcase their unique personalities and styles in their photos. Whether you're an influencer, a business owner, or simply someone looking to refresh your profile picture, Amazing Photos is the perfect solution. One of the critical features of Amazing Photos is that it uses a particular version of Stable Diffusion technology to fine-tune the AI model with your photos and personalize it to your appearance. This means that the more you use the service, the better it will get at recognizing and creating images of you. Another great thing about Amazing Photos is that it takes privacy seriously. Your pictures and personal information are stored securely on servers in Frankfurt, Germany, and the company will never sell your data to third parties. Stripe, the industry leader in online payments, handles payments so you can rest assured that your payment details are safe and secure. And if you're unsatisfied with the photos generated, there's no need to worry. With the 14-day money-back guarantee, you can try out the service and receive a full refund if you still need more. To top it off, the website also uses cookies to improve user interaction, making the overall experience even more user-friendly. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone new to using AI, Amazing Photos make generating profile photos a breeze. So whether you're looking to create a new online profile or update your current one, Amazing Photos are the perfect solution. With world-class photo quality, ease of use, and complete privacy protection, what are you waiting for? Try it out today and see the excellent results for yourselves. Have you heard of Roast? It's the most excellent AI-based tool that's been making waves in the dating world. Roast helps users create the perfect date night images that truly represent their identity. Imagine having photos showing your personality, interests, and appearance in the best possible light. Well, that's exactly what Roast does for you. You might be wondering how Roast works. It's pretty simple. You must upload a few photos of yourself and AI technology will take care of the rest. The technology is trained on over 10,000 images viewed by more than 50 men and women. This means the AI has a pretty good idea of what makes a great dating photo. And the best part, you don't have to do anything but sit back and relax while the magic happens. Roast also provides dating information and expert advice to help users navigate the dating world. They understand that dating can be overwhelming, especially when creating a profile that stands out. With their knowledge and experience, they offer user tips and tricks to increase their matches and find the right person. One of the biggest challenges in dating is creating a profile that truly represents your identity. With Roast, you don't have to worry about that. The AI technology captures your personality and appearance in the most flattering way possible. And if you need help with what to write in your profile, Roast has covered you. They offer suggestions on what to write and how to present yourself in the best possible light. Roast also inspires your dating photos. Whether you're looking for ideas on what to wear, where to go, or what kind of photos to take, Roast has a wealth of information to help you create the perfect dating profile. They know what works and doesn't, and they're happy to share their knowledge with you. Another great thing about Roast is that it's affordable. You don't have to break the bank to get the perfect dating photos. They offer different packages to suit different needs and budgets so that you can find the ideal solution for you. And with their 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can be confident that you're making a wise investment. Roast is compatible with all the popular dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, and Badoo. You don't have to worry about linking your profile to Roast or sharing sensitive information. The app is completely secure and confidential. So what kind of photos you can expect from Roast? The AI technology can create photos of different situations like business, casual, street, relaxing, sports, and beach. You'll get a minimum of 10 photos that are perfect for dating. The images are 100% authentic and truly capture the essence of who you are. And the best part, you'll see instant results as soon as you upload your photos. Roast uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology, including DALL-E 2, sound diffusion, and proprietary algorithms. The technology has already helped over 60,000 people improve their dating profiles, and the results speak for themselves. People who have used Roast have noticed an improvement in their dating lives, going from 1 match a month to 2 dates a week. But Roast is more than just a photo-generating tool. The company has spent over 8 years studying the dating world, conducting interviews, and experimenting to understand what works. They've combined these data with expert coaching to help users find their niche and attract the kind of people they like. You can upload your photos or share your Tinder profile, and Roast will give you a personalized action plan based on more than 10,000 profiles analyzed. The feedback from users has been overwhelmingly positive. People call Roast the real deal and say it's helped them to get better results in their personal lives. The feedback is instant and personalized, and users find it helpful and informative. In conclusion, Roast is the perfect tool for anyone looking to improve their dating profile and find love. With its AI technology, expert advice, and affordable prices, it's no wonder why so many people are turning to Roast for help. So what are you waiting for? Give Roast a try today and see why it's quickly becoming the go-to tool for anyone looking for love. Have you heard about DreamPeak AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPeak AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPeak AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPeak AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPeak AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPeak AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create.